Welcome to AutoCAD Designing. This is the SolidWorks 3D modeling, exercise number 43. We make this 3D model in minimum and simple steps. Let's start. Start the part modeling. We will make a 3D model help of this diagram. First, we analyze the diagram and decide on the steps. At the start, we select a front plane for the sketch and make a complete profile with this rib support. Then extrude them one by one according to the given dimension. Let's start. Select the front plane for the sketch. We start the sketch from this base. First, we have to draw this circle of radius 20 means a diameter of 40 millimeters. Take a circle tool and draw the circle with the origin point of diameter 40 millimeters. Then we draw the line to both sides of the circle. Total width should be 100 millimeters. Take a line tool and start to draw a line from this quadrant point to the right side of length 30 millimeters. Similarly, draw the line to the left side of the length 30 millimeters. Take a trim tool and trim the bottom segment of the circle. Like this. Now notice here, we have to draw a similar profile for radius 30. We just offset all entities with the value of difference 30 minus 20 equals 10 millimeters. Take an offset entity tool and just select this circle. See, all entities detect automatically offset to the upside. Default dimension is 10 millimeters. Confirm the preview and click on OK. Now, we require to join these two profiles. Take a line tool and join these endpoints. Do similarly for the other side. Next, we also make this profile in this sketch. Take a straight slot tool and start to draw the axis from the center point of this arc. Draw toward the upside. 55 millimeters length and 42 millimeters width of the slot. Take a circle tool and start to draw a circle with the center point of this arc. Diameter 20 millimeters. Take a trim tool and trim unwanted entities from the sketch. Like this. Now we make a sketch for the rib to both sides. Take a line tool and start to draw a line approximately from this line. Next, find the tangent point for this arc and click on the tangent snap point. Here we considered the 10 millimeters dimension from the edge. Take a smart dimension tool and set the dimension between endpoint of the line and the corner point. 10 millimeters. We required the same tangent line to the left side. Select the line and take a mirror tool. For the mirror axis, we select this vertical center line. See the preview and click on OK. Our sketch is done. Go to the Feature tab and take an Extruded Boss tool. We have multiple profiles for extruding. We extrude them one by one. First, we select these base profile segments for extruding. Select the mid-plane option for direction 1. And put the extrude value 80 millimeters. See the preview and click on OK. Select Sketch 1 from the feature tree. Take a Extrude Boss Base tool. This time select this profile for extruding. Once we select the mid-plane option for direction 1 and put the extrude value 50 millimeters. Confirm the preview and click on OK. One more time select Sketch 1 and take a Extrude Boss Base tool. This time select the remaining both sides profiles of the rib. Select the mid-plane option for direction 1 and put the extrude value 10 millimeters. Confirm the preview and click on OK. Now we make these holes on the base. Select this face for the sketch. Take a circle tool and draw a circle up. approximately on this face of diameter 8. Draw another circle of the same diameter to the opposite side. Take a Smart Dimension tool and set the dimension between the circle and this edge, 10 mm. Set the dimension for the other circle. Similarly, set the dimension between this edge and the circle, 10 mm. Also set the dimension for another circle. Here we required a circle for the left side. Select these circles. Here we required the mirror axis at the middle of the object. Select the Mirror Entities tool and click on a mirror about. Expand the part history and select a suitable plane as a mirror axis, such as the right side plane. See the preview. We require exact this. Just click on OK. Our sketch is done. Go to the Feature tab and select Extruded Cut tool. See, the sketch will automatically detect it. Select through all options for direction 1. See the preview and click on OK. Take a filleting tool and set radius approximately 5 mm. Select required edges for filleting. Our 3D model is completed. Apply any appearance for this model. I hope all steps are you understood. Keep practice to make this model. If you have any questions, so comment to me. As soon as possible I'll answer you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next exercise video. Have a nice day.